This tutorial will guide you through the steps to meeting with a nurse on Pocket RN. It will include several tips to help ensure you have the best experience possible, so Pocket RN can be a friendly tool to get you the help that you need quickly, safely, and comfortably. When you request help, you may be waiting in the matchmaking queue for some time before being matched with a nurse. To ensure you never miss a meeting invite, we recommend that you go to your profile and make sure to provide the number of a phone that you keep at your side and that can receive text messages. If you haven't added a phone previously, you should add one now by selecting Add Phone Number. You are now ready to request a meeting with a nurse. Go to the home page and select the service you need help with, then select Request Help. If you cannot find an item in the list of services that matches your needs, we ask that you seek medical help through your primary care provider or your designated home caregiver. If you have a medical emergency, do not use Pocket RN. Close the app and immediately call 911. Once you've selected Request Help, you'll start the process to enter the queue. Do not leave this page until you see the message, Searching for a Nurse Match. Otherwise, you will not be matched with a nurse. Once you're in the queue, you'll remain in the queue until you click Cancel. The queue handles requests on a first-come, first-served basis, so the longer you wait in the queue, the more likely you'll be matched with the next appropriate nurse. You can navigate to other parts of the app, change your browser tab, use other applications, or even close the app window without leaving the queue. If you close the window and come back to Pocket RN, you will still be in the queue. If you are using a different browser tab, application, or window, if your device is asleep, or if Pocket RN is closed, you will be notified via a text message when a match is found with a nurse and a link to join the Zoom meeting directly. While on the Zoom call with the nurse, please turn on your video and audio and be in a quiet, well-lit room with few distractions and a stable internet connection. We recommend joining the Zoom meeting from your phone so you can move freely and direct the phone camera to areas of interest. If a caregiver is assisting, we recommend that they hold the phone. You can familiarize yourself with the Zoom layout on your device by watching the Using Zoom tutorial videos. When the meeting is finished, make sure to leave the Zoom meeting and return to the Pocket RN app. There you can select Finish Meeting. You'll be asked to provide some quick optional feedback about your experience with the match. You can then either finish and close the meeting or report an issue with the meeting. When you report an issue, you must select the issue type and provide a brief summary of the issue. Our support team will review your concerns and get back to you within a couple business days. If you wish to never match to this nurse again, you can block the nurse. The nurse will still be able to meet with other patients, but if you include any concerning information regarding the meeting in your issue report, we will take your feedback seriously in preventing the issue from occurring again. We hope this tutorial provided some helpful tools for you to have successful meetings on Pocket RN.